Hello, Forever World. Wow, it's incredible to see that we have already completed the first quarter in 2022. You know, in February, I had the pleasure to spend quality time with 11 of our great country managers and their spouses at our President's Retreat in the beautiful Zoetry Resort in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. Now, this event was partly in recognition of their long service, like 20, 25 years. I think we even had a 30-year country manager there. Isn't that incredible? And while we were there, we enjoyed activities like zip lining, golf, and scuba diving. Doesn't that sound like fun? Yet we also tied back to our commitments made at the beginning of the year to get together safely and communicate. Now, during this retreat, we had many opportunities to discuss ideas so we can drive our success in our global markets because we want to improve our FBO and customer experiences. To top it all off, we had a chance to visit our aloe fields, the largest in the world, and learn about how they incorporate sustainable practices like with solar-powered water pumps and an efficient new drip water system to the aloe plants. We hope the President's Retreat will be an ongoing tradition that we can continue in order to stay connected with our country managers, and that helps stay connected to you. With the first quarter of the year coming to an end, that also means the qualification for earning Eagle Manager is getting close, right? It ends at the end of April. This October, we'll be taking our Eagle Managers to Cancun. This event will not only be packed with fun and relaxation, but we are planning to have some exciting announcements and, of course, invaluable training segments for these emerging leaders that will help set your path to reaching greater heights and forever. You have until the end of April to qualify. I look forward to seeing you there. Set your goals high. We know that this business is built on making connections and getting together. That is what built Forever from the beginning. And that is what will keep Forever growing strong into the future. Now, having incentives like the President's Retreat, Global Rally, which is coming up soon, and the Eagle Managers Retreat help to keep us connected with you. But we want to do more. So we are hitting the road. That's right, packing our bags. In the coming months, you will start to see me, Aiden, Garen, Navaz, maybe Gary, and many others from the corporate office visiting your market. We want to see your faces, embrace your smiles, hear your words, and of course, recognize your achievements. We love you and we want you to see that from us in person. Now, we want to send our love to all the people of Ukraine. We know you've been suffering so much recently, and we are doing everything we can to support the Ukrainian FBOs and staff. FLP Ukraine is continuing to make the necessary adjustments that will enable us to get the product available again in the coming weeks. In addition to the great work that is being accomplished there in Ukraine, our FBOs and staff in all the bordering countries are also helping our Ukrainian Forever family and friends. They're providing food, products, housing, and transportation. Our Forever Hungry staff right now are preparing and sending kits that will be delivered to the newly forming refugee camps across the borders. In addition to that, the Gregg Maughan Forever Giving Foundation is collecting donations to support the children of Ukraine that are suffering. Now you can help by going to forevergiving.org and making a donation. Any amount will help. In the coming weeks, we will announce another way that you can actively get involved from anywhere around the world. Stay tuned to social media to learn all the details. So that's it for the update for April. I love you all. I look forward to seeing many of you very soon at the Global Rally in Abu Dhabi. Please keep working hard, help your team, and let's achieve success in forever.